Why spend a fortune at high-end cafes when you can create the ultimate fast casual feast right at home? Today, we're crushing 5 of my all-time favorite premium recipes from scratch. First up, let's start fresh with a classic chicken Caesar salad. It's all about getting that perfect restaurant texture. First, take a fresh chicken breast, season it generously with garlic, mixed herbs, paprika, and olive oil. Drop it into a hot pan and fry until it's beautifully golden, charred, and juicy. Next, let's make those crunchy croutons. Toss bread cubes into the same pan with a bit of butter. Toast them on medium heat until they turn incredibly crispy and absorb all those amazing pan flavors. Now the creamy Caesar sauce. Whisk together rich mayonnaise, grated Parmesan cheese, finely minced garlic, a splash of lemon juice, and black pepper. Finally, thoroughly wash and chop some crisp romaine lettuce and throw it into a large bowl. Pour that luscious dressing over the top. Add a massive handful of our garlic croutons and gently toss it all together. Plate it up, top it with our sliced juicy chicken and a sprinkle of Parmesan. Fresh, crunchy, and pure perfection. Moving straight from fresh to sweet, let's bake a rich, premium molten lava cake. This is the ultimate test for any pastry chef because it requires precision timing to get that legendary liquid center right every single time. We melt high-quality dark chocolate with rich butter, then whisk it smoothly with eggs, a touch of sugar, and just a little bit of flour. Pour the rich batter into a greased ramekin and pop it into the oven. The secret is baking it just enough so the outer walls set into a light cake while the inside stays pure liquid gold. Flip it onto a plate, dust with powdered sugar, and here is the ultimate money shot. Break into it with a spoon and watch a beautiful, glossy river of warm chocolate flow out. It's elegant, rich, and completely irresistible. Now let's turn up the heat with an appetizer that everyone completely goes crazy for. Dynamite shrimp. We take fresh, plump shrimp, clean them well, and coat them in a seasoned cornstarch batter. Drop them into smoking hot oil and listen to that ASMR sizzle. We deep fry until they hit that ultimate crispy golden perfection. Make sure not to overcook them so they stay juicy inside. Now for the magic. Whisk up mayonnaise, sriracha, sweet chili sauce, and honey. Toss those blazing hot, crunchy shrimp directly into the sauce until every single piece is fully coated and glossy. Serve it in a glass and boom, pure flavor explosion. Now, time for some real rich comfort food, a premium mac and cheese. We are doing this the gourmet way. This is the ultimate quick fix when you want something incredibly rich and satisfying just for yourself. Boil your macaroni in salted water until it's al dente. In a pan, melt a generous cube of butter, drop in a bit of garlic, and pour in premium heavy cream. Now the main event, we're melting in a massive blend of sharp cheddar and mozzarella cheese on low heat until it forms a silky smooth. Drop the pasta right into that hot cheese sauce, then plate it up layer by layer. Bake 7 to 10 minutes. Then as you lift it with a fork, you get that perfect epic cheese pull that looks absolutely mesmerizing, rich, creamy, and pure perfection. Finally, we are finishing this massive feast with a smooth, no-bake Oreo cheesecake. We start by crushing Oreo biscuits and mixing them with melted butter to press down into a perfect, crunchy, dark chocolate crust. Next, we whip up a velvety cream cheese and heavy cream mixture, folding in plenty of crushed Oreo chunks for that beautiful marbled look. Pour it over the crust, smooth out the top, and let it set in the fridge until it's perfectly chilled and sliceable. Each bite gives you that flawless balance of creamy cream cheese and chocolate crunch. 5 premium cafe-quality dishes made completely from scratch at home. Which one of these 5 was your absolute favorite? Subscribe to Chef Savindu for more premium food recipes.